Hello everybody, today we're going to take a look at this HPM ceiling exhaust fan. Now I actually do have a video of one of these, but that one is a 20 centimeter version, which I have in the laundry. This one here is a 25 centimeter one, so this one here is a bigger fan. Alright, I'll just quickly show you the one in the laundry. So that's the one in the laundry, which I have a video of already. This one here is the one in the kitchen, so this one here is bigger. Alright, so it's exactly the same, just the difference is just the size. It's a bigger fan. Okay, so I put this in the kitchen. Okay, there was a vent here originally, but those vents are pretty much outdated because this is an old house. Okay, so when this house was built, these fans weren't the thing back in the day. Okay, so what I did was I technically retrofitted one in place of the vent. Okay, I did have to climb up into the attic to install a power point to plug the fan in. Okay, and when I did it, it was hot up there because it was during the, I think, early autumn or summer. All right. Now you might notice the ceiling looks a bit rough there. That's because when I took the vent out, the hole that was there was too big for the fan. So I had to cut that section of the ceiling out and use a tile, a plaster tile, cut with a smaller hole to accommodate this fan. Okay, and that worked very well. So I used a plaster tile, and then I used some bits of timber to secure it, to screw it on, and then I just filled in all the gaps with filler, and then I painted it. Okay, and this is the finished product. So you can see the fan right there, as you can see. Okay, now this is a white one. They do come in a grey, and this is a circular one. There is also a square as well. Okay, so this project took a few days for me to do, okay, because I had to climb up into the ceiling to do all the wiring and install the outlet, and then I had to, do the ceiling up, all right? So it did take me some time to do all that. But now that it's finished, this is the finished product, okay? It's not pretty, but it does work. All right, so this particular fan is controlled by this switch here, okay? So now I'll just turn this night light off because that's kind of annoying. So this switch here is what controls the fan, all right? It even says fan. Now I did use these Clipsal 30N neon mechanisms, okay? So that way you can see whether the fan is on or off or not. So that will, when the green light's on, the fan's on. When it's red, it's off, okay? I also did the same in the laundry. As you can see, I've put the same indicator lamps in the laundry as well. So that's been changed. Okay, so basically there's two wires that come down this conduit. One goes to the mains breaker and the other one goes to the outlet for the fan. All right, so we'll turn this fan on. So now the green light's on. Okay, and it's pretty quiet. It's quiet, so it's not as loud as the 20 centimeter versions, but you can hear it running. Okay. This one's actually a little bit quieter than than its little brother. All right, so I actually have 4 of these fans now. So this one and one in the bathroom, one in the toilet, and one in the laundry. All right, so those other 3 are 20 centimeter fans. This one's the only 25 centimeter that I have. Okay, and this is in the kitchen. All right, so this fan's quite good when it gets all steamy in here when we have the oven on or anything. It's used to help suck the steam out. Okay, there is also a draft stopper on the other side of it, which you can't see. That's designed to close it off so that so no draft can come through the ceiling. Okay, I didn't have one at the time, but we have now got one. When I put this fan in, there was no draft stopper. All right, so you can hear it running. Okay, it is quiet. It's not very loud at all. All right, let's turn it off. You can't really see up in there. It's not very good because there's no light up in there, but it has stopped, okay? And I do need to, and with these fans, they do get dust in them, so you will need to clean them over time, okay? Especially the cover there, okay? That will get dusty. So what you do is you'll just wipe it down. If it gets too filthy, I can just take it off and put it in the dishwasher, and that will clean it up. Okay, so that is my HPM 25 centimeter ceiling fan, exhaust fan. So I hope you enjoyed, and that'll be it.